Let's see if it's a hit or a miss. I am trying to connect random words to finance when it's like absolutely boiling outside. Our first instinct is to just run inside and blast the AC at full speed, completely forgetting how expensive our electricity bill is gonna be at the end of the month. Honestly, that is exactly how most of us handle our money problems. Like the second we feel like a little bit of stress, we have a bad day at work, we instantly look for a quick fix. We go on online shopping, order expensive foods, or buy things we don't even need just to get that burst of happiness. So, like, here's our actual game plan today. The next time we feel stressed and want to hit the buy now button, what we do is we seriously just need to pause for 10 minutes, like exactly what we do, and let's take a deep breath. Ask yourself if you're actually buying something we need, or if you're trying to cool down a temporary bad mood. And you know what? The true financial freedom is all about learning to manage those heat without burning a hole right through our wallets.